Hey everybody, Kambado Kuya here. Today is Wednesday, March the 5th. Today is Ash Wednesday. So today is a day of abstinence, so that means I can't have any meat. And you know me, I love me some meat, but I can certainly abstain for today and every Friday through Lent. That's no problem. I came in here, I was gonna make a grilled cheese, and guess what? We don't have any sliced bread. So I said, why don't I take one of my pizza dough crust out and make myself a calzone? So here we go. Here's what we got. So I've rolled out one of my pizza doughs into not quite a circle, because as you know, a calzone should be circular, but I got a square pan here and I didn't want to do it any other way, mess up any dishes. So I just rolled it out really more into a oval, I guess you might call it. Here it is. I got my pizza sauce. I got my mozzarella cheese. All of that's going to be good. Here, pepperoni. Oh, no way. Pepperoni, you got to go back in the ref. You can't be used today. Only mozzarella cheese and pizza sauce. So let me go ahead and put this together and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, that looks like plenty of pizza sauce. By the way, this pizza sauce is homemade. I made this a couple of weeks ago and I refrigerated. I have some frozen bags and I have this one left in the ref. So we're going to go ahead and use this, and next we're going to put on the cheese. Wow, that should be plenty of cheese. But you know what they say? Too much cheese is not a real thing. There's never too much cheese. So let's put just a little bit more. And now we're going to get ready to close this up. Okay, there you go. It kind of sort of looks like a calzone. It isn't beautiful. It's not going to win any prizes. Gordon Ramsay would run me out of his kitchen for sure, saying that looks disgusting. But you know what? I'll bet it's going to taste good, because you saw what it's got in it. It's got cheese, and more cheese, and that's what I like. So we'll get ready to put it in the toaster oven. Now, I ain't trying to do advertisement for this company, but this toaster oven is super awesome. I'm going to tell you, it will get, I got it set for right out about 220, which is pretty close to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what I know that I would want to cook this on. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this oven and place it inside. So if you see me moving around here, you'll know that I'm getting this in here. And there you go. It is now ready to cook. So we're going to leave that in there until it gets nice and golden brown, and then we'll take it out and see what it looks like. And afterwards, we'll taste them and see if it tastes good. All right, more later.
5 minutes later.
Here it is, fresh out of the oven, nice and golden brown. Maybe 30 seconds to cooked. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's going to taste good. So I'm now going to try to get this off of the sheet and onto a plate so that my wife and I can share this for paniuto. All right, let's see what we got. All right, I just cut it. Look at the little tiny piece she took. Wow, so tiny. Look at the big piece I got. So, dokongha. I doubt I can eat it all. I'll cut half of it and try that, and then we'll see if I need the rest of it. But let's taste this. I've cut it up into little bite-sized pieces over here, and you can see all the pizza sauce and the cheese all in there with the crispy bread. The cheese is somewhat stringy.
It is. It's really good.
But she says it tastes really good. So now I'll try. Whoa. So much cheese.
What you think?
So far, all I got was cheese. Let me get some bread.
The bread is really good.
Oh, the bread is so good. It's got the perfect crispness. I think it's done just right. It may look bad, but it tastes good.
It looks.
And it's a perfect non-meat food for a day of abstinence. So I could do this on any Friday during Lent.
Yeah, that's a perfect.
Because you know I love meat.
Brown.
But on Fridays, we'll have this. Okay? That's all there is. Thank you very much. Goodbye.